D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. This is the afternoon edition. We're going to update you here on some severe weather potential here in the Four Corners region, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah. There's a slight risk of severe weather. There's also possibly isolated severe weather down here in the Gulf of Mexico, Louisiana, Florida region here in the southeast. Also getting a lot of rain coming up with this low pressure system. Taking a look at what we can expect with these. There is a slight chance of tornadic activity down here along the coastal area near New Orleans over to about Tallahassee. We also have an area in around Phoenix that has a possibility of tornadic activity. Hail is a bigger threat in the Four Corners region, and wind also. Looking into tomorrow, you can see we get the Midwest back into play. Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska are going to be in the play. And mainly in the Dakotas with the highest risk of area, possible tornadoes also. You will see this in the Davison risk factor later tonight in the overnight edition. When I do the Davison risk factor, there will be a expanded Davison risk factor tonight. And we haven't had a very big one because we haven't had the weather to have a big Davison risk factor, but that'll change tonight when you see it on the overnight edition. Pushes east again on Tuesday. Wisconsin, Iowa, back through Kansas, Nebraska, and Minnesota. And that also has a good 15 percentile for occurring. Taking a look at our latest threats, Danielle's exiting. Earl is a 75-mile-an-hour Category 1 hurricane. And this area has a good shot of becoming Fiona. Taking a look at our tropics here, take a look at Earl. Earl is really getting its act together. It's becoming well defined in this visible satellite picture. The outflow is beautiful in the system. You can see that definitely here. And the bands are getting stronger around the center of circulation. And it's probably going to develop an eye rather shortly as it moves here through these northern islands and coming near Puerto Rico. Earl is something we definitely got to keep an eye on here over the next couple days, and for the East Coast even for the next couple days. So we need to keep an eye on it here. And we will at liveweatherblogs.com. One thing also about Earl is it's become a bigger system. So the influences on the East Coast, even if it's not closer to the East Coast than these models show, I mean, these have been moving around a lot. There will be some impacts that could include wind and rain along the coastline. So we would not throw that out quite yet. Earl still been moving more west in the trajectory than it originally was supposed to. So we got to really keep an eye on where this goes, and the computer models will change consistently. So we'll find out where that stands, and we'll keep you updated here at liveweatherblogs.com on the latest with what will go on with Earl. And the weather for Southwest Virginia here and the North Carolina Triad: 92 patch fog coming in tomorrow, 94 Tuesday, 94 Wednesday, 92 Thursday. We'll have an updated forecast here tonight at the liveweatherblogs.com overnight edition. Have a great rest of your afternoon and have a great day.